How to log in to Amazon account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will simply show you the way as to how you can log into your Amazon account on your phone. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now it also really depends on where you're trying to log in, whether you're trying to log into one of the services of Amazon such as Prime Video or any other subscriptions you have, or whether you're trying to log in order to start shopping on Amazon, or whether you're trying to log in order to start selling on Amazon. Either way, what you have to do is first just make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Amazon app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app stores, and in the search box you want to type in Amazon. Go ahead and simply either download or update the application. Once you have updated the Amazon app, I want you to go over and simply open it up. The very first step after you open up the Amazon application is to go ahead and select your country, region, your language, and any other credentials that it asks you to. Just tap on the done button over here. And by the way, if you're already logged in by default, as you can see in my case it's asking to continue, but since I'm trying to show you how you can log into your account as well, I'll just select use a different account for this application, and I'll tap on the add accounts button. As I do that, you just want to go ahead and enter the credentials for any of the accounts that you might have, such as the email address and your phone number. You just need to tap on the continue button, enter your password, and if in case you have two-step factor or authentication turned on, it may ask you to verify with your email address or your phone with the OTP code. But in my case, I'll just tap on the continue button, and you'll be able to successfully log into one of your accounts over here. If you can't see the sign in button, you can tap on it again. You can come to the accounts page and log into one of your accounts just like that. Keep in mind that once you log into one of the apps on Amazon, you'll also be logged into other services, such as if you have Prime Video installed, you'll be logged in automatically in that particular service as well. And this is simply how you can go ahead and log into Amazon. By the way, if you don't have an Amazon account and you want to learn how to create one, then you can simply watch our other video by tapping on the I button, which is on the top right. But hopefully this is it for today's video. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.